Hello and welcome to Martinette Cuisine once again. Today we are going to make a pork Bafat. This is the recipe for my aunt Joyce. So we're going to use two lots of masalas. One is just to be boiled with the pork and one is to be dry fried. The one to be boiled with the pork would be onions, green chilies, turmeric, garlic and ginger diced fine. This is the masala to be dry roasted. Garlic, ginger, Kashmiri chilies, coriander whole and jeera. You're going to dry roast it on high heat. You're not shallow frying it, you're not doing adding any oil, nothing of the sort. Just dry roasting the masala on a high heat till you start getting the aromas of the coriander and the jeera and the chili. And then we are going to blend it in a blender using water. So this dry roasting, since I started from a cold pan, is taking a little time. So yeah, you know what they say, start on a hot pan. But I feel I get more control on a cold pan because it gives me a level of control over the burn of the chilies. The last thing you want is, you don't want burnt chilies. And once you feel this has reached your level of roasting, take it off the flame, because it does continue to cook for some time after that. Mine is coming there, but the garlic hasn't touched, is not roasted. I can smell the coriander and the cumin and a bit of the chili, but the garlic still got to get there. At this time I'll cut my losses and take it out. So now we're going to start. Preparing it. We have to start boiling the pork with the boiled masala. So I'm just popping that in here. I'm going to add some water initially. Then I'm going to add the pork. Basically, these are bigger than sorpatel pieces, but smaller than vindaloo pieces. So that goes in there. I'm going to add some salt. And bring this to a boil. I mean, depending on where you are, you might want to pressure cook your pork depending on the toughness of the pork. In Canada, if I pressure cook the pork, I'll get shredded pork. So I want to avoid doing that. I'm just going to put this up to boil and wait for it to come to a boil. This is the masala that we've ground. So I'll wait for it to come to a boil. Once the oil starts rendering from the fat, I will add the masala in. Now that the meat is boiling, I will add the masala. And there we have it. Your pork Bafat is ready. Look at the oil generated. There has been no addition of oil. Anyway, thanks for watching. Any comments, let me know. Thank you.